if you're really seriously deficient in protein, it absolutely affects your consciousness. A professor friend of mine in Mexico said that when some of his students at the university couldn't memorize things, he encouraged them to eat some protein and would invite them to dinner and feed them some protein. And when I was teaching language classes in Mexico City, some of my students absolutely couldn't remember anything that we went over. And so I would start my classes with, I made funny little cookies out of eggs, sugar, and wheat germ, and I would serve those with a cup of coffee at the start of the class. And everyone was able to learn their lessons just with that little extra boost of protein, carbohydrate, and coffee.